Hi everyone, welcome back. This is the next video in the series of PC tips and tricks. This one is all around managing Windows and Windows placement, to be precise. Again, this should be a quick, sharp video. But if you're working in Windows and you've got, let's say, multiple windows open, I've got a few here. There's some of the YouTube stuff there. Explorer open as well, so Internet Explorer, Edge. Few windows open there, and you kind of, rather than flick around, you want to compare. So you've got multiple Explorer windows open, and you want to kind of compare what's in one, what's in the other. It's a bit difficult to see. Yeah, so basically you can organise them and rearrange them. So if you grab one, pull it to the side, you'll get this grey. So it will pop to that size, and you can okay, which one do you want on the right hand side? Okay, I want that one. If you want to grab it again, drag it to the side, you go to the top. You've got the corner view. Okay, do you want something here? Yeah, we'll have that there, and you can split it like this, and then you can also do this one up here. Do you want something here? Or if you don't want anything in this space, you just click out like this. That's another good one. The other way to arrange them as well is if you come to the top here, you then get the different layouts, and so you can drag it. So okay, you want side by side, with one big, one slightly smaller, or 3 or 4. And again, so you've got this one, the different sizes. You can do the half and half like this. They will have that one and that one. But once they're done, you can still grab the middle here, slide them backwards and forwards, and rearrange it how you want. So yeah, it's really versatile. I find it really handy, like comparing the contents of one folder to another folder. It's really handy for that. The other thing, I guess, in addition to that, is on here with Windows 11 is multiple desktops. So we've got the desktop here, we can just say, okay, a new desktop. This is the kind of thing that's been in Linux for a while. So now we've got 4 different desktops open. We can say, okay, let me stick that one on that desktop. I'll stick that on the desktop. Let's stick Edge over on this one. Lovely, and there we go. So now then when you click through, we've got desktop 2 and 3, and I believe you can actually tab. You actually click through here like this. But yeah, it's just really versatile for snapping your windows around, organising stuff, and be able to see everything nice and easy without having to like move it over here, grab the corner, rearrange it. You got it just right, and then pick another. Yeah, so none of that. You just basically can snap it to. Like I say, as soon as you pick up a window, you get that up here at the top, and choose exactly how you want to spread it out, and it will do it. So yeah, that was it. Just fairly simple thing, but I've seen people before that don't know it and are sitting there dragging a window from side to side and renaming it manually. So just so you know now, Windows does it for you. If you just drag it in, like I say, you drag it to the top where you've got that little bar, or if you want to drag it to one of the corners, just pretty much drag it right to the edge until you see that grey pop up. And then if you want it into the top corner, just move the top slightly or move down slightly, and then do the corner. So yeah, handy little tool. Hopefully that was helpful. Again, please like the video, please subscribe, and I'll be making plenty more, so stay tuned. Thank you, cheers, bye.